Now to a developing story. Attorneys for former President Donald Trump are appealing a Cook County judge's ruling to remove him from the Illinois ballot.
Illinois is one of several states to consider disqualifying Trump because of his role in the attack on the U.S. Capitol. Let's get right to CBS 2's Marissa Perlman. She's outside the Chicago Board of Elections. Marissa?
And good morning to both of you. Yeah, we know early voting is already underway, so this comes as yet another late in the game change when it comes to voters' ballots. Circuit County Court Judge Tracy Porter has now ordered the Illinois Board of Elections to remove Trump's name from the ballot, but also put the order on hold pending an expected appeal. Well, within the last hour, we have just learned the Trump campaign has filed that appeal with the State Board of Elections, seeking to have Judge Porter's decision stayed until the appeal is fully and finally resolved by the Illinois Appellate Court, First District, the Illinois Supreme Court, and or the U.S. Supreme Court. So the highest court already has two cases now regarding the former president. Illinois is one of several states, as you mentioned, Jim, considering disqualifying Trump for his role on January 6th. Well, this case hinges on the 14th Amendment, which bans officials from serving in government if they have engaged in insurrection. The Supreme Court will rule on that and whether Trump has presidential immunity after a federal grand jury indicted him for attempting to overturn the 2020 election.
It's an absolutely meaningless decision. This issue is being decided right now by the United States Supreme Court. They have the two big cases right now are the Colorado case, throwing him off the ballot because of the 14th Amendment, and the question of whether or not he has presidential immunity.
Now, the U.S. Supreme Court decided it will hear arguments on April 22nd as to whether Trump should be granted immunity from prosecution. Now, as for the Illinois ballot, the highest court is expected to rule on that any day now. But for now, Trump's name will be on the ballot. We're live in the loop. Marissa Perlman, CBS 2 News.
Marissa, thank you.